So, kanya-kanyang request sila dito sa bahay. Merienda series yan. First, gagawa muna ako ng pancake. Gumamit lamang ako ng 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoon oil, plus 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 small can evap, and rest muna siya for 30 minutes before cooking. Oo, para maganda yung alsa. Ginawan ko muna sila ng pancake habang iniintay nila itong tinapay na gagawin ko. Narest ko na itong dough ng 1 oras dahil pangkain lang ito sa bahay. Simple lang yung ingredients ito. 1 cup warm water, 2 teaspoon dry yeast, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and 3 cups bread flour. Yes, no egg and milk kasi nga pambahay lang. Pagkatapos, i-divide natin to into 16 pieces and then ipa-flatten ulit para sa cheese filling. Tapos i-roll into ball ulit. Then i-rest natin siya for an hour or hanggang magdoble yung size niya. Ayan, pag umalsa na, brush lang natin ang egg wash tapos i-bake natin sa mainit na oven syempre for 15 minutes. Ito naman ay ang butter and condensed mixture. Ibabrush natin to on top. Mas masarap kung ibabrush natin agad after baking para mas may tunaw effect, ganun. Moving on, ito naman ay para sa cookies. Mix lang natin ng half cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup white sugar, and 1 egg. Then, nag-add ako ng half cup melted butter, half teaspoon vanilla, and mix till combined. Nilagay ko muna yung chocolate chips sa flour mixture para di matunaw yung chocolate sa pagmix. Then, pagsamahin na ang wet and dry ingredients. Ang dry ingredients ay 1 and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, walang salt kasi salted ang butter. Transfer into a bowl. I-ref for an hour before baking. You can keep this in your freezer for a month. After an hour, scoop lang sa grease pan or tray. Bake for 10 minutes or so. There you have it, our easy chocolate chip cookies.